Hello guys, welcome back to the another video of Stumble guys. So today I'm gonna show you how to turn off in-game and push notification inside the Stumble guys. So first of all, you need to log in your Stumble guys account and be sure your internet is fully connected to your Wi-Fi. So after that you need to click on the settings on top right corner, click on the settings icon, then you will see here in-game notification and push notification. You can easily turn off party invite notification and party invites during matches, and also it will work for push notification. You can easily turn off all of your notification by clicking on the arrow icon. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. So bye.